Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about molecular biology top 20 MCQs. Dear viewers, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. The first mRNA codon to specify an amino acid is always option A TAC, B UAA, C UAG and option D AUG. So the correct option is D AUG. Explanation is the AUG codon is the universally conserved start codon that signals the beginning of translation and codes for the amino acid which is methionine. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. The process of copying a gene DNA sequence into a sequence of RNA is called option A replication, B transcription, C translation and option D PCR. So the correct option is B transcription. Explanation is transcription is the synthesis of an RNA molecule from a DNA template, while replication is DNA into DNA and translation is RNA into protein. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The transcribing enzyme is option A ligase, B DNA polymerase, C RNA polymerase and option D amino acyl transferase. So the correct option is C RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase is the enzyme responsible for synthesizing RNA by reading the DNA template. So DNA polymerase is for replication and ligase joins the DNA fragments. Which molecule contains the genetic code? Option A DNA, B mRNA, C tRNA and option D rRNA. So the correct option is B mRNA. The mRNA molecule contains the codons, the series of 3 bases that directly specify the sequence of amino acids. This is genetic code. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, this is last MCQ. Transcription occurs along dash template forming mRNA in the dash direction. Option A 5' to 3' and 5' to 3'. B 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. Option C 3 to 5' and 5' to 3'. And option D 3' to 5' and 3' to 5'. So the correct option is C 3' to 5' and 5' to 3'. Explanation is RNA polymerase reads the DNA template strand in the 3' to 5' direction and it synthesizes the new mRNA molecule which is antiparallel to the template in the 5' to 3' direction. Thank you for watching my videos.